school, no chores, no clothes. How cool is that? Ah, yes, it's great being a dog. Watch this. That's Daisy. Lately, she's been ignoring me. Well, you'll see about that. Oh, yes, she will be mine. Daisy?
It smells nice out here in the country, don't it, Dwayne?
You cannot be serious, Dwayne. The country's full of bugs. I'll be glad when we get to Lakeland, you Wawa.
Dwayne, can I play with them nice doggies?
For pity's sake, Dwayne, are you nuts? They're full of terrible diseases.
But I like doggies, Wayne.
I told you no.
Ow.
Oh, my head. What the... No, Daisy! Oh, must rescue Daisy. But how?
Hey, Jake, how's it hanging? Come on, I'll race you to the top of the hill.
Oh, brother, people are so insensitive. But I need to get back in shape if I'm gonna look for Daisy. Hold on to your pants. Here I come.
Hey guys, Mr. Light is here with a brand new Let's Play. Forgive me for that opening. I had to record that beginning with my camera to make sure I can get it on the video. Hopefully, almost all the rest of the game, hopefully all of it, will be me with my device, recording with commentary. Hopefully you won't see another camera part. I'm hoping. Anyway, welcome to Dog's Life on the PS2. We play as Jake, a dog. So, first off, we're going to follow the boy. If I press triangle...
8 yellows to play the P-marking game.
I'll get to that later. Follow the boy and talk to him with circle.
Well, Jake, looks like I beat you fair and square.
Hey, that's Mr. Jake to you, Stinkfoot.
He's awesome, this
So,
dog.
you want to play another game?
Are you kidding? Does a dog poo in the woods?
Okay, here goes. Ready, Jake?
Less talk, more action.
Follow me, Jake.
So basically, in the start, you're just doing a bit of a tutorial.
Good dog.
You just
Come on,
gotta
Jake.
follow the boy around the yard.
Good boy, Jake.
And over here. Should be over now in a minute.
Real good, Jake.
Oh, no, it's not over yet. Now it is.
Hey, Jake, what's up with you? You okay? You look a little funny.
The dognappers mentioned a place name. What was it again?
I've got to go see Gramps. Mom says he's as crazy as a nudist at the South Pole, but I think he's cool.
And we get a bone.
Why don't you run down to the farmhouse and play with Lopez, the Chihuahua? Maybe you can practice your racing technique with her. I'm off to Gramps now.
So basically, let me just go over what's happened. Daisy, the dog that Jake likes, is being dognapped. We're going on a quest to look for her and rescue her. Now then, first I'll pick up the bone.
Oh, tastes great.
Bones are like the way we compare ourselves to other dogs. Now, in triangle... Okay, I'll go over this mitt. These are scents.
50 purples gets me a bone, and the more bones, the better.
Yep, that's the main part of the game are these here. So what I'm going to do is go firstly around here, collecting yellows.
Delicious.
I'm missing a few yellows. I believe they're the other way around. I know the yellows are around here somewhere. Ah, there's one. One more to go. And now we do a mini game. Ah.
At last, a peeing game. Mark the corners. Let's go.
So we basically got to do our business.
1. Go.
So I'm going to go over here and do my business on these squares. Do this one. Like this. Are you trying to take my business? You're not taking my business. Got that one. Oi, don't you dare take it away from me. Okay, so he got that one. Now if I go over here and take this one, we win. Now when we win the first match with a dog,
Lopez is lucky. The ground is a lot more interesting up close.
on a time limit, you get to control the dog. So I'm going to take our little dude into
Hey
here.
there, friends and neighbors. This is Hiram J. Chick.
Don't worry about the radio stations.
I love to watch other dogs doing my dirty work.
Yep, so basically the dog does there are different things you gotta do with the dogs to get bones.
Simply the best.
Very good. Thank you, sir. So now I have 2 bones. Now, I know there's another bone. And what I gotta do now is pull this. Come on, let go, Jake. Then go around here. No, the other... Wait, actually, I gotta push that. It's in the way. There we go. Then pull this one. Jeez, Jake, you're strong. Jeez, you're unbelievable. Then what I gotta do is turn around and jump up here. Jump up here. Jump here, and there's a bone.
Oh, yes. Life is good.
Yeah, the bones are a bit bizarre in this game. They, for some reason, have these weird animations. Right. Next bone I gotta do. Get the ball.
Must play with ball.
And go up to this. Turn it around and throw. Right, hang on.
Ah, so close.
I missed. So let's try this going a little bit closer.
Ah, so close.
Not the wood, you want this. There we go. Go up and personal.
Ah, so close.
Okay.
Jake shoots, he scores. 2 more to go.
Oh, for heaven's
I can do
sake.
better than that.
This is a bit of an annoying one. I can do it though, don't get me wrong.
Oh, yes. Jakey boy rules. The 4-legged Michael Jordan. 1 more to go.
Come on, grab the ball, Jake. You just got 1 more shoot. Line it up this time, please. Oh, wow.
Ah, so close.
Right. Try again, Jake. Come on, you can do it, boy. Not like that.
Ah, so close.
Back up a bit. And yes!
Oh,
Do it 3
yes.
times,
Sniff
we
my
get a
butt.
bone.
This dog is bad.
That is a lovely bone for me. Now then, you see this? These here, when you see one of these orange things, these really sparkly orange, That means there's something there important. Like that battery, for example. We'll go to that later. Right. Let's just go to this.
3 more reds for a game of doggy-doo. If I find them, the local dog shows me some tricks.
That's right. Now we're going to learn some tricks, which basically comes around to begging for food. Which half the time doesn't work. So, this is basically... remember what he does. Down. Up. Down. Up. Okay, simple.
It's now or never, Knucklehead.
I know, don't worry, Jake. I can do it. Down, up, down, up. Next. Okay. Down, up. Left, right, down. Down.
Oh, you go.
Up, left, right, down. And yes, that was doing the business. Left, right, left. Down. Left, right, down. Left, right, up.
It's now or never, Knucklehead.
Down. Left, right, up. And there we go. We've now learnt the first begging skill. Thank you, Doggy Doo. So we learned to beg for treats, which is something, I guess. Alright, come on, Jake. Got work to do. Now then, let's see. What else needs to be done around here? Oh, greens. That's the other one I want.
Cool. Now get all 8, and I can race the local champ.
Yep, we're going to do a race. You ready for this, boy?
I feel the need. The need to feed. 3, 2, 1, go.
You basically need to get win first place and eat half of the total snacks. It's actually not that difficult. These races are actually pretty easy. Except for 1 or 2, but it really depends on how many bones you've got. As you can see, I have won. Boy, did I eat those snacks. When you win the second time with a dog, you get a bone in your doghouse. You might be wondering, where's the doghouse? Believe it or not, it's not around here. To find the doghouse, which is also, by the way, the save point, I go that way. But first I want to talk to this guy.
Oh man, what a bummer. My amplifier batteries are dead. Like, what am I supposed to do? Hey, dog dude, bring me a battery and I, toss you a bone. You dig?
I can dig for bones, but this sounds much easier.
I am not kidding when I say this. Practically everyone in this game seems to ask dogs for help. I'm rather shocked that that's
Here,
the
boy.
case.
Hey, Jake, I've been expecting you. Gramps is drooling in his sleep again. Can you bark him awake?
Oh, I can. With Square.
Oh, Jake, that ain't fair.
You bad boy.
I was dreaming about the Clarksdale cheerleading team winning the big mud wrestling competition. Yes, sirree, Bob.
Right.
Sorry, Jake. Daisy ain't here.
Don't you realize that Daisy's been dognapped?
Go back to sleep, Gramps. She'll turn up soon.
I highly doubt it.
I hope so. She's my best girl.
Daisy smelled so good. I must find her.
Say, Jakey, let's see what tricks you can do besides waking up a poor old man out of a lovely dream.
Fair enough.
Sit, Jake.
Press down.
Good dog. Stand.
Up we go.
Good dog. Lie down, Jake.
Down and then down again.
Good dog.
And he chucks us a bone.
Nice moves, Jake, but nobody moves like my Daisy.
Don't worry, Gramps. She's probably having her daily swim.
You're right. Cleanest dog in Clarksville. Smartest, too. Say, Jake, I don't suppose you could track her down. I don't know what I'd do without her.
You see what I mean by literally
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
asking dogs for help?
Bones.
Right, there's another bone at my disposal. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop the recording here. I'm going to save the game, which I'll do off screen like I do in my other Let's Plays. Now, let me just go over this. You've got the name of the area, so we're at the farmhouse. We have the 4 cents we got to collect. The top right are the bones that we have got. Anytime you see one of those empty squares, that means there's a bone we haven't got. And at the bottom are the 2 people that are there that they need our help. So yeah, there's still 3 more bones we gotta collect. So guys, next time we'll start exploring the farmhouse some more and see what's out there to find. See you guys next time.